Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can report a community or group on Roblox in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your account on Roblox, on PC or laptop for example, and click into more here on the left hand side to navigate to communities here. There are two ways how you can do this guys. You either navigate to see all here in the top left and then go through that list. Look for the GIF community or enter the name here, or if you're already a member of the community, navigate to my communities here. And then guys, once you're on the profile of the given community, for example, if I click into this one here for demonstration purposes, click into these three dots here, select the report, and then, for example, decide what you would like to exactly report. For example, a role, or I don't know, for example, a thumbnail or a description text name. I will go with role, then select the role below, like member, for example, admin, and so on and so forth. Click into report here. And then on the next page, guys, you may go through that setup here, provide a subject, so a reason why you would like the given community to be reported. Go a bit more into the detail here below, into that comment text box, to provide information why you believe the given community should be reported. And in the final step, guys, click into submit in the bottom right corner to submit your report, and you may receive a notification later via email, for example, of the decision. So but I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.